Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and good day everybody. My name is Shaima A. Echusman and I am your demonstrator for today's video. So before we start please stand up, and Mr. Amilono, can you please lead the prayer for the Muslim player and Miss Santo for the Christian player? Okay, thank you. So how are you, class? Yes, Miss Zakaria. Okay, fine. So, before we start our class topic or discussion, gusto ko lang malaman nyo yung classroom rules ko. So, first is to listen attentively, and the second one is to participate, and then maintain the cleanliness. Okay. Ano nga ba yung last previous lesson natin? Yes, Miss Muhammad? Okay, very good. It is about typhoon. So, what is a typhoon? Yes, Miss De Leon? Okay, thank you. So, it is a tropical cyclone, like for instance, the Bagyo or the Yolanda, the Bagyo Paeng, that. So, Miss Secretary, gusto ko lang i-take note mo yung mga presents today and those absents. So, now, before we formally start our discussion, meron akong prepare dito na activity na kung saan you're going to describe these pictures, no? Okay, who wants to try? Yes, Miss Dato Kali? Okay, thank you. So let's see your answer is correct. If your answer is correct, okay, it is air pollution. So the next one, yes, Miss Akil. Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, very good. It is about water pollution. And the third one, yes, Miss Muhammad. Okay. Let's see. It is land pollution. So, thank you so much for participating. Okay. So, now, I know na alam niyo na kung anong magiging topic natin, no? Okay. It is about what? This pollution. Okay. So now, let's proceed our objectives. Okay, we have three objectives. First is, at the end of this lesson, the students are expected to A. Define pollution and its types. And the second one is, identify the causes and effects of pollution. And lastly, propose solutions to reduce pollution. So, what is pollution? Yes, Miss De Leon? Okay, thank you. So let's see what is the definition of pollution. Okay, according to this, pollution is when the air, water, or land becomes dirty or contaminated. So nangyayari siya, class, when yung harmful substances are introduced into the environment, causing damage to living things and their surroundings. So, what are the three types of pollution? Yes, Miss Zakaria. Okay, very good. It is water, air, and land. So now let's proceed to the types of pollution. Okay. Who wants to read? Yes, Mr. Hasing. Okay, thank you. So, ang air daw, this occurs when the air we breathe gets dirty. So, air pollution, polluted area siya that can be harmful to our health and the health of plants and also the animals. So, as you can see dito sa picture, no, yung air pollution, it consists of the factories na kung saan nag-release siya ng mga chemicals through air and then sa cars, yung usok ng sasakyan. Then the next one is the water pollution. Who wants to read? Yes, Ms. Muhammad? Okay, thank you. So, ang water pollution naman, nangyayari siya kapag yung mga harmful substances like trash or di kaya chemicals is napupunta siya sa water, sa lakes, and also sa oceans. So, mapapansin nyo class dito sa picture na to is, ito yung chemicals na napupunta sa ilog na to. So, sa water pollution, yung water can be unsafe and syempre can be unsafe for animals and plants also. And then, sometimes even to people na rin. Na kung saan ginagamit nila yung tubig, like for instance, is naliligo sa ilog, which is may chemical yun siya kasi may nare-release doon sa mga sewage areas. In addition, syempre, maapektuhan yung mga isda. And then, the last one is the land pollution. Okay, who wants to read? Yes, Mr. Amigono. Okay, thank you. So, ang land pollution naman, it can harm plants and also animals living our ground, no? So, nangyayari itong land pollution kapag yung land is napuno siya ng mga basura, which is, kaya siya tinawag na land pollution. So, as you can see dito sa picture is halo-halo na yung mga basura here na itinambak kung saan-saan. And then, let's proceed to the causes of pollution. Okay, here. So, sa causes ng pollution, we have two causes, the human activities and the factories and industries. So, ang ibig sabihin ng human activities, it refers to throwing too much trash anywhere and also using cars that produce a lot of smoke and then using harmful chemicals. So, human activities, ito yung mga karaniwang ginagawa ng mga tao, which is na-harm yung ating environment. And then the second one is the factories and industries. So, dito naman is some factories nagre-release sila ng chemicals into the air or di kaya sa water as part of their process, no? Na kung saan it can cause pollution. Okay. Now, let's proceed to the effects of pollution. So, as you can see here, class, meron tayong isa dito na example ng effects ng pollution, which is yung damage to the environment. So, dito naman, na-harm yung mga animals, plants, and also even sa tao na din. Like for instance, sa water, ang na-harm doon is, syempre, yung mga nakatira sa oceans. Like for instance, yung mga isda, yung mga halamang dagat, ganon. And then also, sa tao naman, kapag yung air is polluted masyado siya, magiging, hindi masyado tayo makahinga due to the polluted air that we breathe. So now, let's proceed to the next topic. Okay. So class, paano nga ba tayo makakatulong to reduce pollution? Okay, Mr. Hasim. Okay, thank you. So, as you can see here, class, meron tayong 3 ways or basic ways para makatulong to reduce pollution. First is to reduce, reuse, recycle. And then the second one is to use clean energy, and last is plant trees. So, meaning to say, sa reduce, reuse, recycle, so alam naman natin siya, we can reduce pollution by using less plastics, no? And then, kung may mga pwede pang gamitin ng mga gamit is, pwede naman natin siyang i-reuse and also i-recycle ulit para pakinabangan. And then, sa use clean energy naman class, using clear energy sources, like for instance, yung mga solar power and also sa wind power, na kung saan nakaka-help din siya ma-reduce yung air pollution. And then, the next is the plant trees, no? So, dito naman, syempre, trees can help the air by planting more trees. We can make our environment healthier. So, natural, kung magtatanim tayo ng puno, it's better to plant trees kasi nga, nakakatulong siya to our environment and also to reduce those kinds of pollutions. Okay. So now, let's proceed to your activity. Okay. Okay, your activity you are going to do is that meron akong prepare dito na mga pictures whereas na you're going to put these pictures, no? These kinds of pollutions na i-place nyo lang siya kung saan siya nabebelong. Like for instance, ito is nabelong siya sa water pollution. Okay. I will give you 5 minutes to do that. Okay. Okay, distribute. Okay. Okay. So now, tapos na. So let's check if your answers is correct. So, sa volcanoes, it is air pollution. Okay. Wait. Yes. Okay. Air pollution. Okay. The next one is here. Okay. Another is air pollution naman siya. Okay. Sige, ilalagay ko na lang lahat para madali na, para mabilis tayo. Okay. So, i-check nyo lang kung tama yung nalagay nyo sa air pollution. Okay. And lastly, ito. Okay. Now we are done. So who got the perfect? Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's proceed to your assignment. So your assignment is you need to research or watch news videos showing how pollution affects human and write your observation about it. So pass it tomorrow. Okay, so is there any questions or clarifications based on our topic or discussions for today? Or additional ideas? Yes, Miss Gatukali. Okay, thank you. Another hand. Yes, Miss Akin. Okay, thank you. And lastly, Miss Muhammad. Okay, very good. So, kung wala na kayong tanong or clarification, let's end our class. So, please, pakipulot ng mga basura sa baba ng inyong mga bangko or malapit sa inyo. And then, that's the end of our lesson. So, thank you for listening and watching.